is now heading to Governor Ron DeSantis' desk. Senate Bill 254 bans health care for transgender youth.
The House and Senate passed the bill today, but a group of parents of transgender kids plan to challenge parts of the legislation.
On your sides, Andrew Badillo is live tonight in the newsroom. So, Andrew, what do these parents plan to do?
Heather, Anthony, the parents plan to file a temporary restraining order asking a federal court to block the Senate bill's ban on gender-affirming care of minors from going into effect. Now, I spoke with the plaintiff's attorney who says these bills make transgender people not welcomed in Florida. Thursday, the Florida Senate and House passed a bill banning gender-affirming care for children.
Trans people are not evil. We get accused that we think that. They're not evil. But you know what they are? They're the victims of those who are.
These are your neighbors, your friends, your loved ones, your coworkers. They just want to be their authentic selves and access the health care they need to do so.
A group of parents of transgender youth is fighting back. The group has 2 lawsuits against the state. One challenges the Florida Board of Medicine and Board of Osteopathic Medicine's rules banning doctors from prescribing gender-affirming care to minors. Simone Chris, the attorney representing the parents, says the ruling was put into the Senate bill.
But the piece that we are challenging under our existing lawsuit on behalf of the 7 families that we're representing is the provision that bans doctors from prescribing this care and threatens them with the penalty of both losing their license to practice medicine, but also with a felony.
The parents are asking a federal court to block the bill before it goes into effect.
Yet these parents are being stripped of their most fundamental, deeply rooted right to make medical decisions that are in the best interest of their children, aligned with what their children's medical providers are recommending.
Chris said the only option for transgender youth to get the care they need is to leave the state.
It's a very, very scary time to be a trans person or the parent or loved one of a trans person.
Well, Senate Bill 254 is now headed to the Governor Ron DeSantis' desk and will go into effect immediately after he signs it. We've reached out to State Senator Clay Yarborough, who sponsored the bill, but have not heard back at this time. In the newsroom, Andrew Badillo, First Coast News, on your side.